How to delete Betway account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete our Betway account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete our Betway account, we can't do it ourselves. They just made it difficult. We have to contact the live agent and a customer support to talk and then get help. So go to betway.com and log into your account. Then tap the three lines option from the top left here and then just go to this option here known as My Account. Under My Account, one of the options you'll find here is called Help. So just go to the Help section here and then you should be able to see a list of help articles that you might have. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see different sort of help details, and under it you'll find Contact Us. So just go to the Contact Us button, select how to contact Betway and use these instructions. But what we're going to do is just scroll down still and let the web page to load up successfully here, and then we will be able to find a live chat from here. So what we have to do is you can just choose a certain category from here. So let me just come back again and then let me choose a certain account over here. Let's say verification document deposit. I can go to my account here, and then from here I can just scroll on and choose a query. So I can see, can my data be deleted? Go there, and under it you'll find again all these options such as for more notice, privacy center, and so on. So we're just going to wait until this web page has been loaded up first, and here it says, do you need more help? We're going to select yes, and then here it says click here to contact us. Of course, select that, and here you can say click here to launch a live chat. So when you select this, click here to launch live chat, a live agent is going to get in touch with you with the instructions on deleting your account, and you can just let them know that you'd like to delete your Betway account. This way you can delete Betway account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.